سلااف گەلی هەڤالان ئیرۆ ئەم دەخوازن ڤیدیۆیەکی لەسەر دیالۆگێ ئامادە بکەن ئەڤ بە کوردی و ئینگلیزیە و لە ڤراژی وێنە هەیە دەوەرن ئەم دەست پێ بکەن. زەینەب وسا دەبێزە ڕۆژ باش ناوێ من زەینەبە ناوێت تە چییە؟ This is Zainab. Zainab says good day ڕۆژ باش. My name is Zainab. Navê min Zeynep e. My name is Zeynep. What is your name? Navê te çi ye? Navê te çi ye? Roj baş. Good day. My name is Zeynep. Navê min Zeynep e. What's your name? Navê te çi ye? What is your name? This is the important one. What is your name? Navê te çi ye? Navê te çi ye? Navê te çi ye? Navê min Feqiyê Teyran e. Navê te çi ye? Navê xwe şirove bike. Binivîse. I said, what's your name? My name is Feqiyê Teyran. And what is your name? And write your name comments on the comments. Navê te çi ye? And let's continue. It says, okay. Ahmed. Roj baş. Navê min Ahmed e. Ahmed is talking. Ahmed says, Roj baş. Good day. Roj baş. Good day. My name is Ahmed. Navê min Ahmed e. Navê min Ahmed e. My name is Ahmed. Roj baş. Navê min Ahmed e. And Zeynep, tu ji ku derê yî Ahmed? Tu ji ku derê yî Ahmed? Tu ji ku derê yî? Tu ji ku derê yî Ahmed? Where are you from, Ahmed? Tu, you, je, from, ku, kuder, kudere, where, kudere yî. Tu ji ku derê yî? Where are you from? Tu ji ku derê yî? So, ji ku derê. From. Where are you from? Tu ji ku derê yî? Je, from. Ku derê yî? Tu ji ku derê yî, Ahmed? And where are you from? He says. Zainab is asking to Ahmed. Ahmed, ez ji Diyarbekirê me. Lê tu? Ez ji Diyarbekirê me. Ez ji Diyarbekirê me. Lê tu? I'm from Diyarbakir. And you? Lê is and. Lê is and. Ez ji Diyarbekirê me. Lê tu? And you? Lê tu? Ez ji Diyarbekirê me. As I told you before, je Diyarbekirê me. Lê tu? This is Diyarbakir, a picture of Diyarbakir. Ev wêneyeke Diyarbekirê ye. Wêne, picture. And let's continue. Brasti, really? Brasti, really? Brasti, really? I am from Diyarbakir too. Ez ji Diyarbekirê me. Ez ji Diyarbekirê me. Brasti, really? I am from Diyarbakir too. Ez ji Diyarbekirê me. Brasti, really? I am from Diyarbakir too. Ez ji Diyarbekirê me. Serçavan, gelekî kêfxweş bûm. Serçavan, gelekî kêfxweş bûm. Serçavan. How nice. How nice. Actually, when you directly translate this, it means Çav means ice and ser over my ice. So it is not exactly over, like when we say over my ice, we mean how nice. Oh, nice, so nice. Or it can be used to say welcome, something like that. but for in here سرچاوان. How nice. I am very happy. Ez geleki keyf خوش بوم. Ez geleki keyf خوش بوم. So in here geleki keyf خوش بوم. Better we put this one as geleki keyf خوش بوم. Ez geleki keyf خوش بوم. I am very happy. Ez geleki keyf خوش بوم. So actually it says also literally, yeah, that's what I wanted to say, and I am very happy, so I am happy to hear that. Ez geleki keyf خوش بوم. As geleki very happy. كيف خوش كيف happy. كيف خوش بوم. So this is if you learned about past time tense, we generally use in there, but we don't mean in the past. Oh, I was happy, but it is also described it's also written in here literally was very happy. And سرچاوان Ez geleki keyf خوش بوم. How nice. I am very happy. And let's continue. Ez جی پر کیف خوش بوم. Ez جی پر کیف خوش بوم. Tu kurdî? Ez jî pir kêfxweş bûm. Tu kurdî? I too. I am very happy. I too. I am very happy. Are you Kurd? Of course you will be Kurd. Are you stupid? Oh, no. I thought Ahmed is talking. Okay. It is. Okay. Zainab says, Ez jî pir kêfxweş bûm. I too. I am very happy too. So we could actually we confuse everything in here. Why? Simply, I am very happy too. This will be much better, I think. I am very happy too. Ez jî pir kêfxweş bûm. I am very happy too. I am very happy too. Ez jî pir kêfxweş bûm. I am very happy too. So, tu Kurdî? Tu Kurdî? Are you Kurd? Are you Kurd? Do you see? They are written same. Tu, you, I. Kurdî? Tu Kurdî? So, as you see, we don't need put anything like. We say this. We understand this is question by the way we say. Tu Kurdî? Tu Kurdî? Tu Kurdî? When I say this is not question, but like this. Tu Kurdî? Tu Kurdî? Okay. Tu Kurdî? Are you Kurd? Okay. Ez jî pir kêfxweş bûm. I am very happy. Are you Kurd? Then that's it. Erê. Yes. Ez Kurdim. I am Kurd. Lê tu? And you? As before I said, it was but, and also it is and, as we saw in here. Lê tu? Erê. Ez Kurdim. Lê tu? And you? And let's continue. Ez jî Kurdim. Ha, mamostetê. Ez jî Kurdim. Ha, mamostetê. I am Kurd too. Ez jî. So actually, jî makes two. Ez jî. Ez jî. Me too. I too. I am Kurd too. Ez jî. I am Kurd too. Ha. Oh, the teacher is coming. Mamostetê. The teacher is coming. Mamoste means teacher. Mamoste means teacher. And is coming. Te. Coming. Yeah. Te. Te means come actually. Te. Coming. And let's continue. Bashe. Okay. Actually, yeah, it's good also. Bashe. Okay. Or good. Em de pashe baxıvın. We will talk later. Em de pashe baxıvın. So in the here, as you see, we used will. So this is actually makes the word in future tense. Will. Em de pashe baghven. Em de pashe baghven. So when generally you put this word in after subject, de, and you just use the verb in here, em de pashe baghven. Generally we put this one in here. Em de pashe baghven. We will talk later. Baghven talk, pashe later. Em we de will. Em de pashe baghven. And that's it. Bashe. Okay. So that's it for this video.